Welcome back for some all-in moves insights. Today we're going to talk about AI enhancements and what AI we can do to update our scenario cost baselines. I wanted to have an AI enhanced opportunity to gather information from the internet no matter what zip code I punch a home into. And we started with 14 states. We look at customs for closing settlement services and what kind of fees we have for different locations. Florida has some different taxes than Colorado has them and so forth. So I wanted to have a baseline of an expectation for any zip code in the United States. You put a number in, you're going to get something in your list that has numbers. And math is undefeated. If you have an incorrect number that is at least near the order of magnitude, you're like miles ahead of, oh shoot, I forgot to include any money for that in my costs, leading to bad surprises. So let's speed run this AI configuration and use. So we're going to hop into my Google AI Studio. I'm going to grab a copy of a key, copy to the clipboard, come back to Holland. And let's see, we're going to go to AI settings. I think I want to try and use the flashlight Gemini model. I'm going to paste my key into there. I'm going to test it. AI key is valid using the Gemini model, flashlight 3.1. Save this. So I saved my AI configuration settings. Next thing we're going to do is turn on AI enhancement. Let's see, I've got an example in here. $3 million home on the beach. It's beautiful. All these numbers come from somewhere, and there's a baseline, and the baseline covers 14 states. But from time to time, we might want to update those. So I'm going to turn on AI Enhanced Precision mode so I can purposefully go grab updated information for the state of Florida and update my baseline. The only time tokens will be spent on your AI connection is if you click a button that says update the baseline data. That works in Estimator as well as projects. There's a project opportunity to update data as well. And we'll update that. There we go. And when you're finished updating, turn off AI Enhance. There's no danger of the thing running away and spending tokens that you're not actively involved in. That's AI enhancements in a nutshell. You can also use your AI tools for updating the costs in here. So I can go in here and for this particular home, I can see that $13,000 and $19,000 are probably not enough for a roof on a place like this. I might need $50,000 to $100,000 for a new roof for my beach house because I want to convert it to standing seam. So use AI to do research for the product and materials that you would like to use for the various items in your scopes of work. Give me a good product and a better product, and I will decide what I need to have when I go do when I run my scenarios. So that is AI enhanced modes. It's totally optional. You don't have to have an AI subscription to succeed with this tool. You can add group settings, project scopes. You can add project scopes. You can add estimate line items for closing costs for things that aren't included. Math is undefeated. Make sure you do the diligence and expect the things that will be necessary to make that dream home price a realistic number for you. Surprises later when you have to add windows and doors and roofs and water heaters and furnaces and all that kind of stuff is really demotivating for your life owner. If you know things need to be done when you move in and you don't pay too much for the home, you'll be much happier, and you can move towards investing in your property instead of just trying to struggle to stay ahead of it. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Don't pay too much for a house. Call me if I can help.